Hey guys, Rusty here, Dougly HP. Today we have a 2013 Dodge Caravan and we have this light blinking here. Whenever that light is blinking, none of this stuff will work. So basically when you run into this issue on these Caravans, it means it has a self-calibrating system for the blend doors, the temp doors, and the mode doors. Basically, what it's saying is one of the doors is either doing too much, too less. If you hook it up to a scanner, you can do a calibration test, and as you can see, we had two codes for this one. Before we calibrated, we cleared it and then did the calibration, and then we still failed. So that door has an issue. I guess they're highly problematic on these vehicles. But if you have that flashing light, that is in conjunction with this. See how everything kicked on once it went through the full calibration test? Once you fix that issue, the computer will no longer think that it's out of calibration, because it won't take as long to go through the calibration. So yeah, we're just gonna pull this one out. Haven't had to change one of these before, so if I can, I'll try to make a quick video of it. But it's bike week here in Daytona, so customers been walking in like crazy. We haven't even opened the doors yet and there's already two people outside. So check us out on Facebook, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know if anybody else is running the same issue. And as always, keep wrenching.